Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to weekly trading analysis on Bitcoin and Dogecoin, Solana, and other altcoins. Let's go and see how far the market has come and what we have done so far. And let's go what's gonna happen this week, the upcoming week, and what we did in the previous video. So I have changed the structure of the videos. From now on, it's gonna be live every time that I come, so make sure you check live instead of videos inside the YouTube channel. Also, we're not gonna be doing daily investing analysis from now because I don't think it's necessary. If you wanna see that, it's going to be for the members who join in our Slack Academy, which is inside the Slack app. You can see that we have here all the channels created for you, that we're gonna be giving you step-by-step lessons how to trade, and also you're gonna get daily investing analysis plus so much more. You can read it all here, and I'm gonna inshallah later on talk about this a lot, what we're going to achieve. So for now, as you know, the market is in bull, and the structure of Bitcoin and other cryptos have broken, and we are in a uptrend, which I was expecting for the market to come down, but as you can see, we're about to break even higher. This is the level that we sold, which is $95,500, and I was expecting for it to come down to around 84,000, 83,000, and also around 88,000, which it didn't happen, but I'm still expecting to see what the market is gonna go after breaking this level, because I still haven't taken any breakout candle, which I want. So we're going to see what's gonna happen. For now, if you have sold here, it's fine. You can wait for this to close higher, maybe around 97,000, and on the retest of 95,300 or 95,700, you can enter back where you have sold Bitcoin. But for now, we need to be cautious so it doesn't turn into a fake out and the market doesn't go down, so we don't lose our profits and also don't go in a lot of loss. But this is for the short-term trades that this candle closes above this zone that we currently have. Otherwise, I expect it to come down again to around 88,000 or 84,000. Then we're gonna buy from there. But last night, after the daily candle close, I gave a signal which was for Solana. After we took our profits around $152, I made sure you enter back around there, and I gave the signal which when it was at around $148. I was expecting for Solana to come to $136, which it didn't happen, which it could still happen if this candle doesn't close above tonight, and if this turns back down and closes below 150, I will expect it to come down to 135, then we go up. So this is the scenario that I have for Solana. But for the bullish case that is currently going, and we have already taken our position here, I expect it to go to $180. This will give us 21% in profit in Solana. And what changed was that Solana against Ethereum gave us a good a hammer here, which most of the time when it comes to a demand level, it reacts perfectly well and it goes up. Now, if we check Solana against BTC, we can see the same thing. We can see a very nice hammer, which after this, I am very, very bullish on Solana, which can go 7 to 25 to up to 60% against Bitcoin. What does it mean? It means that, okay, first of all, this is not a financial advice, and according to how your mindset is, and how much your capital is, and how much your risk appetite is, it's different how you trade. But whenever these things happen and I see a breakout against Bitcoin chart, like charts again, I mean, when I see an altcoin break on a structure against Bitcoin, I try to get a lot of that coin instead of Bitcoin to take more performance so I can buy back Bitcoin and increase my Bitcoin positions. That's what I am trying to achieve here as well. This is Solana. For now, I shared these last night in our new Slack Academy, which I made for Halal Portfolio. I encourage everybody to join there if you want on-point trade executions of my own, which is not gonna be like other people's signals, but rather it is my own trade executions. So you need to have your own knowledge of the market in order to be trading these levels correctly. And you can see that everything is perfectly aligned here. And let me show you what do we have inside Slack. You can see that I have made all these channels. There's a public group that you will receive all these 4 major coins and their updates, plus educational tips and educational videos. And we also have premium masterclass, which is for serious people, which they have an income and they have an investment and they want to learn how to do it in the halal way, which it doesn't mean that we will not take all the benefit that there is in the market, but we will try to be in the coins that are halal. And we do the research and find those projects that are the best ones. So we invest according to our risk management systems and our trading systems and get most benefit from there as well. We have a lot of coins there that just this week, one of them, only one of them, for example, went 63%. One that I missed and I didn't take, it went more than 160%. These things happen, which is absolutely fine as long as we make as much money as possible. It is perfectly fine for us. Now, what is my goal to achieve here? First of all, we had things going on inside WhatsApp, which I am going to permanently deactivate it after some time, which some people wanted that to still be on WhatsApp. I reactivated it again. There are around 40 members, but I encourage everybody to come and join us on Slack and also become premium member to learn properly by yourself how to do it. Now that we have changed our videos to weekly analysis, daily you will receive my analysis and the knowledge and everything. But if you are inside the premium masterclass, which I still haven't announced how much I'm going to be charging for it, I'm gonna do it very soon. But for now, everything is for free. Please join there if you want to get the whole benefit. And every month I'm going to announce 1 or 2 people to come and join based on how serious they are, based on how much they need to get that knowledge. I'm going to give it away for free, because the main point is not for me to make money out of this. The main point for me is to make you profitable traders. Believe it or not, most of people are going and trading the haram way, which is futures trading, forex, and whatnot, options and margin. These are all absolutely haram. Through my research and my understanding of how crypto and trading in general works in everything, in goods and services, in day-to-day life. So if we learn this one thing, the discipline of how to be in this market and the psychology of it, we will make so much money, believe me. I say it because I did. Otherwise, why would I tell you? Anyways, that is our goal to achieve. Now, let's go and see what was our goal for Ethereum. In Ethereum, I give you a trade lately, previously I gave you around 1500, which if you have bought, you would be in like around 21% profit by now in 1848. But later on, after this correction of the market, I gave you a perfect trade here around 1580, which took us to 1580 was the um trade execution of mine that I did, and I shared it with you in the group, which took us to 1840, which gives us around 15% profit, and I told you to sell. This is still not a breakout. It will be confirmed tonight. If this candle closes above 1867 something, then we can have a retest and push the price even higher to $1900 to $2000. I am being cautious because I have been trading all these levels and I know how the market reacts. So sometimes if it doesn't go according to how we want, it's absolutely fine as long as we make money. But for our long-term positions, we don't sell them, we just keep them for the all-time high. And you need to be inside Slack, so whenever all-time high is there, I tell you to sell everything and get out of the market. So we don't lose our profits. I have seen it 1,000 times that if you don't take your profit, you will lose it. It's very, very important. Now, let's see Ethereum against BTC. I told you here that Ethereum is going to go up, and as you can see, this hasn't gone up much, but Ethereum did. Now, every other Ethereum token is blowing up these days. We made 20%, 30%, 40%, 63% was the most that I made lately, and I'm expecting to make even more than that. But you're not gonna get those coins because in here, as I have seen people come and gamble all their money, so it's only for serious students that they learn and they know their risk management. So it's only gonna be for wealth group. You're only gonna get those things from me, all my research, all my trades, my entire portfolio inside wealth group. Nowhere else. Nowhere else. So I have removed so many other coins like Sui, Tau, FET, Injective, and AVAX, which I was telling you for so long to buy their dip. They did 70%. Sui did. We took profit. Tau did. I took profit in that too. FET did. AVAX hasn't done yet, which it will do it. And also Injective, which I just gave last night. It's such a beautiful chart that I'm gonna show you later. Let's go to Dogecoin before we go to anything else. I was expecting for Dogecoin, after selling it around 18 cents, for it to come back to 16 cent or even lower to 15 cent, which it didn't happen. It's absolutely fine. We can still buy it here, but I'm gonna wait for tonight to see how this candle is gonna close. Otherwise, my theory is gonna be correct and it will come here, then it will go up. What I'm expecting. So the structure is broken. It's absolutely bullish. It is so strong, even against BTC, which you can sell some of your BTC and be in Dogecoin. Still, I'm telling you, it's not a financial advice. Doge against Ethereum is also looking perfectly bullish, which you can do the same with Ethereum. Sell some of your Ethereum, buy Doge, or sell all of it, buy Doge. It's same thing. As long as you keep an eye on, be there every single day for your trades, don't miss anything. Because this market was open 24/7, no, unlike Forex and every other market that is lacking this quality. They're all related to the banks and they have holidays. Bitcoin doesn't have it, always works. That's why the market always goes up and down. It's the same goes for all the crypto. If you want to make a lot of money, you need to manage your own trades. Every time, like I do, each and every one of them according to how they look, how their fundamentals are, how my technical analysis show, and how my systems work. So I decide according to that. But the signals and market execution and whatever I do, if you don't follow properly, if you don't have the knowledge, it is absolutely useless. You will not gain any benefit, you will not make money out of it. That's all that there is. Let's see at the dollar chart. For dollar, I am looking at weekly chart. I have said sell from here. That's what happened to Bitcoin. Bitcoin went up from here after we were selling dollar against all the other currencies. As you can see, now it's in a demand level. There you can see the order block, but we are below this resistance. If this claims this resistance, it's gonna be bad for crypto. Otherwise, it can keep on falling down. I don't really care about dollar as long as it's going down, because I'm not holding any single dollar. All my money is in crypto. I'm not holding any other currency as well. As of now, there is no single penny in my account, in my bank, even for using. It's all in crypto. Whenever I need, I sell it, I go buy things. That's how I do, because I keep my positions right there at the time, and I don't care if it goes down. If it goes down, I'll buy more. I keep it in USDT, stable, right? But whenever I need, I use it back to deploy in crypto. I go back and forth, back and forth. And you also need to have an income. An income is the most important thing you need to have for this market. If you don't have an income, don't expect to make money here. Don't take a loan from anybody. Please don't do that. You're gonna lose all of it. I have seen people, I know, I've been around. Don't partner with anyone to do it. I have seen that too. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Only your money your risk works, your knowledge works, and you need to deploy on the coins that you have research on. It will work. Inshallah, it will work. Trust me. Let's see USD CAD. USD CAD is trying to break this level, but if this is a fake out tonight, it can go back and close above here, then it can continue going up, which also shows a strength for dollar, but weakness for crypto after this happens. But as of now, none of those are relevant. And on the other hand, the other chart that we have, which is the USDT dominance chart, it shows you how people are selling their USDT and they're buying crypto. We were waiting for this level. If it was closing here tonight, I would be out of so many other trades and leave the market to come at least to these levels, which is this scenario. Then I would be buying crypto. But now that it's trying to break this, I will still look at it to come at least to this resistance, then make a bounce, come back here, then I will deploy so much more in the market again with confidence that it's gonna USDT is gonna go down, but Bitcoin is gonna go up. So this is how far we have come. We need to mark this as well. You can see that it's consolidating at the moment, but this gives me a very good feeling that it can go down. If we check total market of crypto, it looks absolutely fine, perfect to go up. Here's a level that you need to be looking at, which is very important. If this goes to here, it means that Bitcoin will be at $100,000. $100,000. So keep in mind, anything could happen always. It's crypto. It doesn't mean that it's a bad thing, but it means that this volatility that we get, all people doesn't think the same. They don't hold their cryptos always and all of the time, especially the altcoins. They don't hold it, and the market dumps. So we need to be careful, and we need to be prepared for all the scenarios. And altcoins as well are looking very good here. These are all the coins that matter for now, and these are the ones that I will always mention. We only consider these four coins, but just for the sake of what I have previously mentioned you, which was Tau, ET, Sui, I will show one or two of them. So you know how much we have gained in those. You can see the Tau went around 70% from this level. I've been telling you to buy this. You see, even before we bought here, we sold here, we bought again here, the market dipped. I missed here, but bought here again and sold here again. That's how it works. Same goes for Sui. I bought it here, and I've been telling you to accumulate in this level for a very long time. And yes, I didn't buy these. I missed it here, Sui, but I didn't buy these, and I waited for this to happen. Then when I bought, it went till here. Then I sold it. This is how accurate trading can be if you have experience, if you have the knowledge, if you have your systems ready. Don't follow your emotions, how you feel throughout the day. That is the best advice I can give you, always and for free, to make you a profitable trader. Still, I'm telling you, join Slack, get all the benefit there, because it will not be always possible to come and show things on live, but I can always show you inside Slack, which is the community and the academy that we're building for the future of trading. The halal way. It should be, it is, I think, the only place in the world you can find that you have Sharia compliant cryptos with, according to Islamic principles, technical analysis, on-chain analysis. You get everything that I know, all my experience. Believe me, I didn't have those people to come at the time and tell me exactly where to buy and sell, but I do. But I do it because I care. I need to make more traders. We all need to make a lot of money. And yes, this course is paid because first you're gaining a lot of value, uh, which I still haven't decided on the money. But second, I still need more money to make more money from anywhere possible. You know that I have a graphic design business which I'm running, which is a social media marketing company since 2.5 years now. That's my initial income that comes from there. Then I take it, I put it in crypto, then I make more money, then I use it back on my expenses, then it goes back and forth like that. You see, I have made an ecosystem of mine. You need something like this. You need your income. Without income, it's not possible. If you're just learning, just learn it, don't invest. But you need to have money to do this. What you can do if you have very less money or less income, just keep accumulating a little Bitcoin and don't care about where it goes. Don't care about trading, just get Bitcoin. But it can go maybe 2x, 3x, 5x. But the coins that we analyze, it can go to 10x, 20x, 100x, even up to 1000x inside bull markets. I have the experience, I have seen it, and I have made that much. So that's why I'm still hungry for it. I always want it. I will be doing this. This is my passion. I love it so much. This market is really, really great. The technology is great. Nobody should fight it. Every government should allow it. It makes transactions so seamless. I have even used them to send money everywhere in the world, like actual using. These things that I say is also for people that are starting from basic and they don't know anything of how the market works. This is the truth that I am telling you. Most of people that I have seen, and they have these groups, first, they are not Sharia compliant. Even the groups that I have seen from Afghans, that they're trying to teach you these stuff, they don't teach you how to do it the halal way. They don't teach you proper things, and they don't check and take a lot of efforts to be there with you, check your homeworks, tell you this is your mistake, so the next time you don't do it. They don't work on your mindset as well. So all these groups that are built, they're just there to take your money. Please do it the halal way. We really, really need to answer to Allah. That's why I'm doing this. I want everybody to make halal money. If one day I know, according to my knowledge and the knowledge that I have taken from all the other muftis in the world, because I am not a mufti, I gathered them all and I saw what makes the most sense. Which ones should we be trading? What should we be accumulating the most? And what is halal? So we don't have to make haram money, because that will go for our children, that goes back to our family, and we will be making haram money, and we will have to answer to Allah. And the worst thing is, you can do is go in forex, which you will pay interest, and Allah says in Quran that you're gonna take sword against me. If I am not mistaken, it's in Quran or it's in ahadith. Don't do that. Don't do that. I will release full video based on research, based on all the fatwas, that how you should be trading. And once you know, it will make so much sense to you that okay, this was the wrong way that I was doing. And believe me, all these people in futures, they're not making money. None of these people in forex, they're not making money. There are very few people that they do, with all the stress and all that headache, and then haram. Bro, what are you doing? You're living in hell here, then you want to also go in hell? At least try hard to make money the hard way. So you have, if I know one day that any of these things that I'm doing that is haram, I will take them out. Because I don't want to be answerable to Allah that I made haram money. Now what should I do? It is very serious thing. It has become so, how should I say, very, people take it very slightly. They don't even think. Think, bro, before buying Trump coin. Who is this Donald Trump? Don't you know that they're bombing Gaza right now? They're killing Muslims. It could be your children. It could be your sister, your mother. But they're not, right? In Gaza. That's why they're dying, and you're going and buying Trump coin? Makes me angry, bro. Why are you doing this? Don't buy these things. Don't support people that are evil. Don't buy their things. Unless it has a proper usage, unless it's a proper technology based on something meaningful that they do. Which the best asset is Bitcoin. Just concentrate on one. Just buy Bitcoin if you don't know about the others. Don't even buy crypto. Go buy gold. Do something else. But don't do futures. Don't do forex, please. And so many of my friends, they went and bought some other systems of some network marketing crap that they lost so much of their money. Bro, there's a proper way done in spot, and I am telling you for free, do that. But if you want to seriously learn that I'll be giving my time to you, I will charge you some money for the time being, and then I will teach you properly. Anyways, this is all I had for today. I got a little bit serious, but that's the right way. That is the right way. That's why I have made Halal Portfolio against whatever people think. I will definitely keep fighting for this. We need to make money halal. Our intentions must align with our actions. That is The end quote.